Right or left? Today's phrase, get my hands on something. Right. I was desperate to get my hands on a pea-sized diamond, so I took out a mountain-sized debt. Left. I was desperate to get my hands on a pea-sized diamond, so I sneakily put it in my spoon. And the answer is, of course it's right. Don't be left behind. Get my hands on something means to find or get something you really want, not just physically touching it with your hand. And follow along to get them all right.
Every struggle today is future progress. Keep on going. See you next time.